Richpeace Group was founded in 1992, is a national high-tech enterprise that has R&D, produce, sales, and system program. Richpeace Group is one of the top 100 light industry enterprise and one of the top 10 sewing industry enterprise. Richpeace Group production base, Tianjin Richpeace Computer and Machinery Company Limited, locates in Baodi Economic Development Zone, Tianjin City, China. The company has a total investment of 150 million RMB, covering an area of 76,000 square meters that with 500 employees, including 100 R&D personnel and 320 patents. Richpeace vision is in the flexible material application industry, including home textile, garment and industrial textiles, dedicated to the two processes, cutting plus sewing, finally realize flexible manufacturing. Richpeace products have covered in 8 series including automatic sewing equipment, embroidery equipment, quilting equipment, cam equipment, laser equipment, hardware equipment, CAD software, and computer control system. Sales network covers more than 100 countries and regions around the world. Richpeace computerized embroidery machine covers all kinds of product in industry. Apply to curtain lace embroidering, bedding embroidery, towel embroidering, and pillowcase embroidering, etc. Richpeace Hometextile automatic spreading machine achieves 3.2 meter large width spreading automatically, save labor, material with high efficiency. Since 2005, Richpeace has launched an automatic sewing solution for different sewing requirements each year, aiming at full scale, fully automatic, and full coverage. Richpeace computerized quilting machine is one of the leading products of Richpeace Group. In recent years, Richpeace has developed single-head quilting machine with automatic frame changing system, super soft material quilting machine with support belt, precise quilting machine for duvet, quilting machine with recognized system for children quilt, single-head automatic quilting machine with continuous feeding, double saddle frame quilting machine, and delicate and exquisite quilting and embroidery machine, etc. Richpeace multi-needle rotary hook quilting machine is a cooperative product with European popular equipment supplier Sotexi. Its ultra-high-speed characteristics make it possible to work with carding machines, four-side edge sewing machine, tape binding machine, four-side overlock machine, and hanging equipment composed of core automated production line. Save labor to the utmost extent, and it is known as the ultimate solution for large-scale automatic production by the core. Richpeace Group will unremittingly strive to supply automate production for the international textile industry.